we've got VTE2 running the Tenshock motor on 8S, 29 satellites on Racebox. Standalone recording, start recording. All right. See how the steering is real quick, and then we'll get going. All right, guys. So we did 196.8, 9 somewhere with this thing, and I did a run with it on Saturday 2 days ago, and I had to make some steering adjustments, so it wasn't the greatest run. Did 194, so we're going to try to get a good pass here and see what we can do, guys. All right, road is clear. Here we go. All right, good pass. I still had a little steering correction, but I think that was more me being nervous, honestly. Overall it felt really good. I corrected a couple times, so then I had to kind of correct back, but yeah, a little bit of full throttle. We'll see. That was a good pass. Looking to see what I can really do with this Tenshock motor, guys. VTE2 running 8S with some 10K fat packs. All right. So stop recording, download recording data. It's good. I got that run just before the bus is coming in. All right. Proceed as track. Save without a track. Whew. 198, so it is a PB. 197.69. I will take that. Let's see how the log looked. Just about was maxed out on this gear, I think, guys. You see it flatlined. I'm shaking a little. That's awesome. 197.69. So really happy with that. Oh, that's the water truck that comes in down there. So I'm really glad that I got that run off. He'll only be there about 15 minutes, but it fills up at the hydrant, the road, so I have to stay. When I'm going down, I usually go down on the right side, but I'll have to stay on the left side just to stay out of his way. Let me grab my temp gun real quick. Here's where we're at with the motor. I did notice I broke my fan, so I gotta deal with that. 150s, just like before. Motor and ESC is good, so we're good there. 125, 130, but yeah, I think a rock got into it there, busted the fan Saturday. But Cobra Ace, 5 wires, Tenshock 2290, 1850, they're 8S. It's the biggest motor, or the longest motor they have in this 40 series. Yeah, pretty happy with that, guys. Got another mile an hour out of it. So I'm looking for, see if I can get closer to 200 with it. we'll take a look at the log and see what it looks like. Go from there, guys. All right, thanks for watching.